My name is Indra and I'm going to talk about Rolls-Royce Company. Rolls-Royce Company was created on May of 1904 by Henry Royce, a successful engineer who struck a deal with Charles Rolls, that is the owner of the first dealership. Rolls-Royce Company is a company that makes cars, that manufacture, distributes the parts of the cars, and also all the car. Well, I admire this company because they are really expensive. Well, I don't admire because they are really expensive. I admire them because they represent power, luxury, and that's because the cars are made by hand and are made piece by piece. So that's why they are really expensive. I like this cars company, and that's all that I can say about Rolls-Royce Company. Thank you.